Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? Welcome to the expiry session of September. It's going to be very special. It's monthly expiry as well as it's September that's ending, and it just the month before US elections. It's going to be very special. Now, this day is not only important for today's trading session but also for things going forward. So, listen to me very carefully. I'll be sharing all that you need to know. Welcome to the Daily Dossier. This is Abhishek Raj. So first of all, let me brief you on the data front. The massive selling numbers that came from foreign institutions was about 4,000 crores. On the other hand, domestic institutions bought about 1,600 crores. Index options were purchased by foreign institutions worth 1958 crores, and stock futures were bought about 1,322 crores. Stock options were bought about 91 crores, and index futures were sold about 587 crores. So there's how it is. Yesterday markets made a low, then there was a sharp recovery. Markets almost became flat, then again we closed negative. Now my point is this particular option buying number, this could have been the calls that were sold. Now in case today puts are covered, we can see a downside rally as well. However, I'm not saying that markets are going to be negative. Remember, I told you 11,000 and 11,200 is going to be very important, and markets took support exactly in the same range. Even for Bank Nifty, we have not decisively started trading below 21,000 levels, and remember, 21,000 level is very important. I'll tell you why in some time. Nifty Auto was negative, banking was flat to positive, Nifty 50 was negative, media was negative by 2.4%, metals were negative, pharmas were negative, commodities, energy, infrastructure, almost all the indices were negative. Volatility fell over 2% in yesterday's session. Again, commodities resumed their steep fall, with again silver falling about 6% in the world markets in yesterday's session. US elections are just 1 month away, so please be very, very precautious. October of every leap year is any which ways very special in terms of volatility. Yes, this is what the data said, so be very, very precautious. Looking at Nifty's daily chart, one thing that is very, very clear, that market is into negative trend now. 20 days moving average have a clear downward slope. Even 50 days moving average has got a clear downward slope. It doesn't show any kind of hopes for recovery. Even if you get a bounce, you should be using it as an opportunity to sell instead of going long. Yes, unless and until we see Nifty closing above 11,600 levels with good volumes, we cannot make up a buying decision. It needs a big force. Remember, markets fell almost 400 points the day, first day when it made its high of 11,000, 11,800. So we need a bigger force to convert that momentum. As said, a Nifty can test its 100 days moving average that's placed around 10,600. So in case 11,000 is broken, the next level that we are looking at is 10,800 to 10,600. RSI on daily chart is now below 40. That's extremely bearish. MACD is also negative. Now MACD has touched the zero line. So far when MACD was negative, it's in positive territory. It was positive. It was a positive number, but now it has touched zero line. In case we continue to trade like this, it will go to negative territory, and that then we will be in correction. Now, let's take a look at Nifty, Bank Nifty. It again looks negative. Trend on both 20 and 50 days moving average negative. Yesterday's low is going to play a very, very crucial role. In case market sustain above it, we can see a little bit of upside rally. In case it doesn't, and the point is 21,000 is very important for a very simple reason. Post corona crisis, the first recovery that came, that was also 21,000, and post that we consolidated into a range of 21 to 23. So 21,000 is not only the support of consolidation, but it also the resistance of recovery. So in case this is broken, we would be into the bigger picture, the actual fall that had happened during corona crisis. So we are looking at 20,000 to 18,500 levels in case we start trading below 21,000 levels. So that's why I said 21,000 is very important. On the indices front, Nifty is negative. So far, I would say no trade because we just covered our short trade in yesterday's session around 10,100, 11,100 levels. So we will initiate any fresh short only on a bounce, or in case we decisively break 11,000 levels. Rest, I'll keep you posted during market hours. Bank Nifty again negative, no trade. Metal index is negative. However, we have a hammer pattern on daily chart. It may reverse the trend as well, but we need to wait for a confirmation. So far just sell on bounce. Nifty IT looks positive, but we need to wait for a dip to buy. Pharma has confirmed the doji crack candle with a bearish candle. But again, the point is doji is confirmed by negative candle. However, the low of the doji is not broken. So as of now, it is negative, but taking a short trade could be risky. So in case you take a short trade, keep yourself hedged. Nifty Energy negative, you can go short. Nifty Auto negative, sell in case index breaches 7690. So keep an eye on index, Nifty Auto index. In case you see the index going below 7690, find some short opportunities in auto stocks. Now here is your stock radar. On long stock, we have Asian Paints, Larsen & Toubro, Infotech, Bata India, Berger Paint. On short radar, you can keep Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Financial Services, Bank of Baroda, Bharti Airtel, Britannia, HDFC Limited and ITC. So that would be all in today's session. Keep yourself prepared, gear up for the trading session. Wish you all a very happy trading session and a great expiry. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.